So in this session, we'll discuss where to use if and where not to use if. So there's three demo programs, three programs are there. Look at the first one, calculate net salary of an employee, net is equal to basic plus bonus. Net is equal to basic plus bonus. Three variables, basic, bonus, net. Now in these type of programs, we can take our own variables. Instead of taking basic, bonus, net, we can take ABC. A for basic, B for bonus and C for net. So now it is C is equal to A plus B. Look at the second one, calculate net salary of an employee, net is equal to basic plus bonus, where bonus is equal to 10% of basic. 10% of basic means bonus is depending on basic. In the first program, net is equal to basic plus bonus. We have two input variables, basic and bonus. Whereas in the second program, as bonus is depending on basic, only basic is your input. You calculate bonus if you know basic. Look at program 1. How many variables are there? 3 are there. They are declared float A, comma, B, comma, say semicolon. That is your declaration statement. Float is your data type and A, B, C are variables. So we have two inputs, basic and bonus. So enter basic, comma, bonus. Look at scanf, %f, and A, comma, and B. C is equal to A plus B. Printf net salary is %f, comma, C. So variables can be anything. Instead of basic, bonus, net, we can take ABC. No confusion regarding those type of things in programming environment. Look at second program. Three variables ABC. The data type is float. Look at the printf. Enter basic. Scanf, %f and A. B is equal to 0.1 into A. 0.1 is 10%. 10 by 100. We can't use 10 by 100. 10 by 100 is 0. So what is the difference between 1 and 2? In 1, we have two input variables, basic and bonus. In 2, we have only one input variable, basic, and bonus is depending on basic. You try to observe the difference in scanf clearly. Look at the third program, calculate net salary of an employee, net is equal to basic plus bonus, and some conditions are specified. If your basic is 1000 to 5000, bonus is 10% of basic. If it is 5001 to 10,000, 15% of basic. See, same concept, program 1, 2, 3. And you need to observe the difference clearly. So in 1 and 2, there is no restrictions to input, like basic can be anything. Basic can be 1000, 10,000, 15,000, anything. Whereas in program 3, you need to write the program based on the conditions specified in the question, and that is to be observed. So here we are supposed to use if. A, B, C are the variables. So if A greater than or equal to 1000 and less than or equal to 5000, bonus is 10%. Else greater than or equal to 5001 and less than or equal to 10,000, 15%. So you observe the difference clearly. In the first program and second program, we didn't use any if or else, as there are no conditions specified. Whereas in program number 3, conditions are specified, and based on that you need to write the program. And these type of things you need to observe while writing any particular program. Net is equal to basic plus bonus and conditions are specified. and we used if condition here, if else. You try this, calculate net salary of an employee, net is equal to basic plus HRA, house rent allowance, TA, traveling allowance, DA, duty allowance or deadness allowance, and PF is your provident fund. Some formula. In the previous programs, net is equal to basic plus bonus. Here you just observe the things, and based on the conditions, you need to write the program. In program number 3, condition based on basic, you are supposed to calculate bonus, but here based on basic you are supposed to calculate HRA, TA, DA and PF, and that is very important here. So you need to observe the difference in programs. And while writing these type of programs, you just keep in mind one thing, between if and else, if you have more than one statement, as I told you earlier, you need to put it within brackets. This notation is important here. Between if and else, if you have more than one statement. Between if and else, if you have one statement, no need of giving brackets. Even if you give brackets, it doesn't make any difference. Look at program number 3. If A greater than or equal to 1000 and A less than or equal to 5000, B is equal to 0.1 into A, else. So we have only one statement there, B is equal to 0.1 into A. I didn't use any brackets there. But I told you in the last session also, people do use brackets there. No problem. But in general, if you have one statement, don't use brackets. If you have more than one statement, then use brackets.